Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P Smart from 2019, and I will show you how to change the language of the phone. So to get going, we'll need to go into settings, then all the way down into system, and from here you should see language and input, which is right here. And now you have at the top languages, and you can tap on add language if you want to add another one. So you can choose whatever you like so, and then also suggest it, so tap on it. And from here, if you want to enable it, you can just drag it to the top and the language will change, as you can see. Like so. And yeah, so that's how you change the language. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.